Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening Microsoft Forms and creating a new form. This is where the structure lives. Once created, name the form and add a concise description so responders know purpose and context. Make sure to choose whether responses are anonymous or tied to identities, and set response limits or start /n dates if needed. These initial settings control access and reporting. Get them right now so later steps, questions, branching, and distribution, behave predictably and securely. You now add the actual questions and apply logic. Start with basic choice or text, then mix in rating, date, or file upload where needed, use required to force answers. Once questions exist, set response restrictions like max length or numeric ranges to keep data clean. Next, implement branching. Direct users to relevant follow-ups based on answers so they only see what's relevant. Finally, preview the flow to confirm the branching and validations behave exactly as you intended. You finish by distributing and monitoring responses. Choose link, QR, email, or embed based on audience, and set whether recipients can edit or only respond. Once responses arrive, export to Excel or use Forms summary charts to analyze trends and filters for deep dives. If something breaks, troubleshoot by checking permissions, incorrect branching paths, and restrictive question limits. Adjust and republish. Make sure to inform respondents if you update questions, so existing data stays consistent.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.